So have you turned on your AC yet, or are you holding out for as long as you can? You know, a lot of people want to save money on that electric bill.
That's why they're probably using their fans right now.
Yeah.
You know, there are a few other ways that you can save. Fox 13's Dominic Dillon spoke with an HVAC expert to try to get some ideas on how we can all save some money.
So you have to try and figure out, where am I going to cut the cost?
Deborah Colvin says she's trying to save money by not turning on her air conditioning just yet.
The only thing that I've actually been doing is staying put. You know, I'm not moving around a whole lot to create heat.
And take this yourself.
That may work for now, but not for long. So we reached out to Choate Air Conditioning, Heating, and Plumbing to learn about cost-efficient ways to beat the heat.
TVA, their stats are saying that 50% of your electrical bill during the summer months is due strictly to your air conditioning.
So Randall Lynn, a sales manager at Choate, says it's important to have your system tuned up and inspected.
It's got a coil that goes around the outside here, and if that gets stopped up, it'd be like running a marathon with your hand over your mouth.
Lynn suggests changing your air filter every 3 months. If you have pets, every month.
Keeping your house cool is changing this filter.
All tips Colvin may consider.
There's certain things that you just have to have. But with MLG&W, you can just cut back.